Hey guys, in this video, I am going to be unboxing two, yes, that's right, two new Lumee Kimoji phone cases. I actually have one right now. It is a sturdy ass case. Like, I have dropped this so many times and my phone has not chipped, it hasn't cracked. And I've dropped it, like, you can see some scratches, but it's held up quite nice. It's a good case. It's expensive as F, but it stands the test of time. So let's open the first case I got. I don't even remember which design I got. Oh no, I do remember. Okay, so a warning, avoid dark dyes or materials that may cause discoloration. So maybe that's what's happened to the front of my Lumee. It's kind of gotten brown. It used to be clear. And maybe that's because I've been like putting it, I don't even know. It's just dirty. I don't know, whatever. Then they include a 20% off discount coupon. I don't think I'll be using that in forever. So if you guys want it, just enter Lumee Family 20 at checkout and you'll get 20% off because I don't have a coupon code yet, so you know. So here's the box. I'm not going to reveal the pattern that I got just yet, so I want you to see it in its full color, honey. This is my favorite one. This is for sure my favorite case that she released. Yay! So cute. So cute. I love this. And I love this because it's like the same pink as this case, and I love this color pink. And it's really cute. The quality of the ink is really nice. The graphics look super glossy. Press and hold to dim. Oh yeah, girl, there we go. Nice. Oh, and then you get the light this way too, which is so great because when you're taking like a photo of something and it's dark, then this will totally light it up for you. So this is the first case. This was my first choice. I just had to have this pink one. I love these little Kimojis. So there's like the black chrome broken heart. I love the flame. And you know what's actually funny? In the preview of this case online, it shows that like the fire is cut off and it shows that like this hole cuts the Kimojis off, but it actually, all of them fit quite nicely on the case, and I just think it's super cute. I do notice like this part of the case is coming out a little bit, which I don't think it should be doing, but hey. But again, here's a great side by side. This is what the clean case looks like. And this is what the dirty case looks like. Girl, I don't know what I've been doing with my phone. What do you guys think? Do you like this like design? Are you feeling it? And it comes with this USB cord, which you plug into like your computer or a little block, and it'll basically charge your Lumee case. But you know what? I gotta say, the charge holds for a long time. I'd used mine probably for like 2 or 3 months before it kind of conked out on me. But oh my God, you definitely notice a difference when you have the case lit up and when you don't have the case lit up. Your photos are not as cute. Like, oh hey, what's up? I'm coming, Kimmy. But now that the iPhone 8 and I think the iPhone X has like this inside flash function, I don't know if the Lumee is as much of a necessity, but you definitely get like crazy amazing light with the Lumee case. And voila, this is the other case I got. It is like the classic crying Kimoji face case, which is like classic Kim K Kimoji. Yay, so I have two new Kimoji cases, which I'm so happy about. These cases are a bitch to get off, so once you put your phone in, honey, just keep it in, because I almost broke a nail trying to get my pink Lumee off of this phone. So I'm going to show you what the photos look like with the Lumee case, without the Lumee case, with the front and the back camera case part lit. So I'm gonna turn off all of my lights just so you guys can see what a photo looks like with the light and without the light. Bye. So that's without, but it does still have the flash inside my camera. And then this is with. Yes, mama. And then you can also dim the light by just holding the button down. So if you don't need like a full light, but you just want like a little bit, then just a little. And then let's do the backlight as if we were taking just a regular picture, how this looks. And this is without a flash. With the flash too, if you want a little extra blowout, which we all could fucking use. Okay. Yes, one more. Always gotta take at least 500. All right, and then I wonder if we can dim this part. Oh yeah, cool, and you can dim the reverse side as well. So this is a photo with the flash and the dim. And then let's take the flash off. Whew. Yes. So if you are a selfie addict, if you just love taking photos with your phone, then I feel like you should invest in a case that lights up. And listen, it does not have to be Lumee. Like you can get cases like this on like, you know, AliExpress, on Amazon, that aren't like a Lumee name brand, but will basically do the same thing for like a fraction of the price. I just splurged a little bit because it was Kimoji, and for some reason I have this crazy obsession with just like collecting the merch. But I have had in the past light up phone cases that aren't the Lumee brand that have been like, oh my gosh, like $5 I think, and they've worked just as well. So, you know, you don't need to get a Lumee, but if you want to just feel a little bit bougie with your light up phone case, then honey, grab one. They're really helpful just in terms of lighting up a photo. And even if you like can't find your keys, honey, they make a great flashlight if you know, can't access your iPhone flashlight fast enough. But you want to check out some other unboxing videos, especially of the KKW fragrances, then they are all linked below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, click the little bell to get notified every time I post a video, and until the next time, mwah!